Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show a nice Germany Math Olympiad problem where x plus y is equal to 24 and x is equal to 48. X plus y is equal to 24, it is called equation number 1, and x is equal to 48, it is called equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 we will have x plus y is equal to 24, or taking this positive x to right side we will get the value of y is equal to 24 minus x, and it is called equation number 3. Now recall equation 2, we will have xy is equal to 48, or x times here y is equal to 24 minus x from equation 3, so we can write here 24 minus x is equal to 48, or x times 24 is 24x minus x times x is x square is equal to 48, or now we can write here x square minus 24x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now here we can use quadratic equations, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a, or x is equal to, here b is equal to negative 24, so we can write here negative times negative 24 plus or minus square root of b is negative 24 whole square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 48 all over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus times minus is plus, so here we will get 24 plus or minus square root of negative 24 square, that means 576 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 48 is 192 all over 2 times 1 is 2 is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 192 is 384 over 2 is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of, now here we can write square root of 64 times square root of 6 all over 2, or x is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8, square root of 6 over 2 is equal to, now taking common 2, here we will get 12 plus or minus 4 square root of 6 over 2. Now these two cancel out these two, so we will get the value of x1 is equal to 12 plus 4 square root of 6, and x2 is equal to 12 minus 4 square root of 6. Now find out the value of y, so recall equation 3, we can write here y is equal to 24 minus x, so we can write here y1 is equal to 24 minus x, and here we can write y2 is equal to 24 minus x is equal to 24 minus x, that means 12 plus 4 square root of 6 is equal to 12 minus 4 square root of 6, so the value of y1 is equal to 12 minus 4 square root of 6, and here we can write 24 minus 12 minus 4 square root of 6 is equal to 24 minus 12 plus 4 square root of 6. So the value of y2 is equal to 12 plus 4 square root of 6. So finally we can write here the value of x1 comma y1 is equal to 12 plus 4 square root of 6 comma 12 minus 4 square root of 6, and value of x2 comma y2 is equal to 12 minus 4 square root of 6 comma 12 plus 4 square root of 6. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.